My channel. I am Abdul Salam, assistant teacher, Rajshahi Collegiate School, Rajshahi, Bangladesh. My dear viewers, you know that my channel is only for education, and today I have come to the Rajshahi University campus, which is very much well known and very much important in the education sector of Bangladesh. Today I have come here, which is very important in historical background, that is called Baddha Bhumi. And now look at it. It is easily indicate that such kind of session. The Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim Rajshahi বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় বদ্ধভূমি ভিত্তিপ্রস্তর স্থাপন করেন মাননীয় প্রতিমন্ত্রী জনাব রেদওয়ান আহমেদ, মুক্তিযুদ্ধ বিষয়ক মন্ত্রণালয়, গণপ্রজাতন্ত্রী বাংলাদেশ সরকার, 7 পৌষ 1409 21 ডিসেম্বর 2002. So now you can easily understand what is going to happen today. I have come here only to highlight the real event of that time, that is 1971, when Bangladesh was struggling for the independence, and our great leader Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was the pioneer of our independence, and he was struggling and he was fighting in peace. And you know, the greatest and the most famous speech of 7th March 1971, which is now in the world record, and people all over the world know that speech. এবারের সংগ্রাম স্বাধীনতার সংগ্রাম, এবারের সংগ্রাম মুক্তির সংগ্রাম. You know all it very well that our great leader led the country at that time to get the independence for our mother tongue. Now we are going to the real place. My dear viewers, I am going to the central position of Baddha Bhumi. You know it very well. During the liberation war, the people of Bangladesh were very much excited to hear the declaration from our great leader Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. And when that 7th March came, and that declaration came also according to the fight and the great spirit of our leader, and people from all the corners of our country became excited and they fought for the freedom. And now I can describe that some people died at that moment when the liberation war began, because the Pakistani rulers and the Pakistani armies became mad when they thought that Bangladesh is going to be independent. So they did not like it. As a result, they did something heinous, and they killed thousands of people. They butchered like a butcher, which was completely unexpected to the leaders of the world. But actually that was completely unfortunate, because the real people or the honest people can't kill those people who want their freedom and who want their real identity in the world. But that was too much different now. Now it is very much clear, and our country is free from all kind of restriction, and now we are a free nation. People now enjoy their real freedom, and this freedom came with the cost of lakhs of people's blood, which is very much important. And at that time some people died, especially here, because of the butcher activities of the Pakistani armies, and they killed thousands of people. And at that time, I mean 1971, they brought some lashes and dead bodies to that places, and they did not show respect, and they kept them without any respect. Now we are going to that place, which is very dangerous, and now it is a symbol of respect to the people of Bangladesh. It is the surroundings of the Baddha Bhumi. All the areas are surrounded with a lot of beautiful trees and flower trees, which creates a magnificent show. It indicates that the people of Bangladesh and Bangladesh government show due respect to the martyrs who sacrificed their life for the cause of our mother tongue and for the cause of our liberation. Actually, when the people decided that they want the freedom of their country, they want the freedom of their motherland, they never thought about their lives. They only fought thought and fought only for the cause of their motherland. And so at the time of that situation, they always gave their all the things that they had only for the freedom fighters. And most of the freedom fighters were very much agitated and they were devoted. They always were inspired with the great speech of our great leader Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Moreover, I would like to show respect to those martyrs who were kept there, especially during the fight, who were arrested and killed by the Pakistani army. The Pakistani army played their role as the butcher. They did not show respect to the dead bodies and the common people of these areas. So they were very much cruel and they threw the dead bodies on that Baddhabhumi. So now it is famous and well known to all the people who come here to visit and who want to know about the history of that time. So please now go to the center of that place. Viewers, our government is very much conscious about it, and not only government, the people also, and the local leaders and the local administrative people also are very much careful and conscious about the prestige and honor of those martyrs who died for the cause of our country. And as they died without any interest, they sacrificed their life for the cause of their motherland. And so now this area is surrounded with nicely and decorated and placed very nicely only to show respect to those martyrs who died for the motherland. And I also very much happy to see such kind of environment here. When I come here, I heart bleeds. To think about the real feature of that time. When I think about 1971, I became puzzled and I tried to cry. My heart bleeds to think about that situation when everything was too much different and disfavor in the heart of the people. But we had some courageous people who fought and who died for the cause of their motherland. And so I would like to request all of the people of Bangladesh and all of the people of the world to show respect to our martyrs who sacrificed for our country. So thank you. Dear viewers, now I have come to the central point of the Baddhabhumi. You know, during the Liberation War in 1971, the Pakistani armies and the associated of some people who were against our freedom, they worked against the freedom fighters of our country. They arrested some innocent people and some freedom fighters and they killed them mercilessly, which was completely inhuman. And people all over the world were astonished and puzzled to see such kind of butchered activities of the Pakistani armies. But we are unfortunate to think about that time, because some people of our country also took part with them, and we were very much unlucky to think about the past and the history. You will be puzzled to know that our great leader always hoped for the betterment of our country, always hoped for the development of our country, and our great leader always wanted the right of the people and common people and their rights to vote and their rights of education and their rights of medical health and all kind of civil facilities which are very much important in our day-to-day life. But unfortunately, the Pakistani ruler did not follow the result of the election during that time. But when the people became understood that the Pakistani rulers were not in favor of the common people of Bangladesh, then our leaders took decision that only fight can help us to be an independent nation. So they took decision and they began to fight against the Pakistan army. But it is a matter of great surprise that the people of Bangladesh and the freedom fighters of our country were not armed with modern weapons, but the Pakistani armies were arranged the modern weapons, but with the help of the indomitable courage, they were defeated against the common people of Bangladesh, because the Bengalis were courageous and they did some heroics which puzzled them, and finally you know that Bangladesh became independent and the Pakistani armies were defeated. When the Pakistani armies understood that finally they had to leave this country without nothing, then they took decision that they would kill some important people and some wise people and some educated people. Only they wanted to destroy the nation so that we could not stand with the honor and the respect with the people of the other countries. But it is very, very important to think that now Bangladesh is very much a developed country, and according to the leading of our leaders of our country, after the independence, now our country is very much developed, and in comparison with the other countries of subcontinent and Asia, now Bangladesh is one of the giants. So I would like to mention all those events of 1971, that though the people were unarmed and they decided to fight against the armed people, finally they got the victory. Finally they got the victory because they had the courage, they had the leading power, and they had the power who were very much courageous. It is a matter of great surprise that we had some fighter who fought in the field. That means we had some army officers also who went against the Pakistani armies, and they took part for the Bengalis and Bengali fighters, and finally we got the independence. So my dear viewers, now you can easily understand the real feature of this Baddha Bhumi, which is very, very famous and very, very important, because during our liberation war, our people died because of the merciless activities of the Pakistani armies and rulers. So those dead bodies and some martyrs were kept here. So my dear viewers, please follow the videos from the beginning to the last, and the people who have not yet subscribed it, please subscribe it, like it, and share it to your friends so that the others can know about the history of this Baddha Bhumi. Assalamu alaikum.